Hello and welcome to Brooklyn, Maes and Coed in Ystradgynlais, where we have a 4-bed detached property on show for you. If you're looking for a 4-bed of this ilk with a plot like this, take a look around, see for yourself. If you're looking for a property with plenty of light coming through, then this one has got to be seen. It's got a huge footprint as well, with 2 front reception rooms, a beautifully appointed kitchen utility area, which backs into a lovely snug leading onto a nice picturesque garden. The garage offers plenty of opportunity as well, with plenty of space to the ground floor and the loft space as well, leading from the stairwell. If you're looking for a study or additional living quarters, could potentially fit the bill. The garden itself offers plenty of space as well, with a driveway coming through and a sitting area to my right hand side. If you're looking for a substantial 4-bed family home in this area, then please let us know. We're on the foothills of the Brecon Beacons, which is just a short distance away. I'm Dav Spear, this is my new listing, and I look forward to seeing you soon.